Boom shakalaka, it seems like the fear in the markets is starting to turn. Today's video, I want to go over some very interesting charts with you and what this all could potentially mean for Bitcoin, including some end of year price predictions. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, how the market sentiment is changing, how it appears like we may have bottomed, and where we could potentially go from here. Before we do, guys, if you could just like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also come join us over on Twitter if you like videos about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and how to make an absolute killing in these markets. Now, to begin with, the fear has started to subside just a little bit. We're still in extreme fear, but if we take a look over the last month, it seems like the lowest lows were the first week of December, around December 6th. We double bottom there, and we could be heading back out. Now, there are some very interesting charts that we want to take a look at with Bitcoin, because whatever happens with Bitcoin happens with the rest of the market. And Bitcoin, we have a lot more experience looking at the charts of this. So, general thesis for the Bitcoin cycle, imitating 2017 on the lower time frame since the July 1.272 bounce, and imitating 2013 on the higher time frame since the cycle low, taking more time to do everything than both. So we can see here how we have an imitation of the 2017 cycle bouncing right here, similar to what's happening right here. And then if we take a look at 2018 to present, this halving cycle, we can see pretty much bounced almost identically to 1.618, 1.272, and then back down to the 1.472. Well, pretty much the same thing happened back here in 2011 to 2013 before the price actually took off. So we're repeating multiple time frames, signaling that it is likely not over. We have a lot more to come. As a matter of fact, this chart here from the Real Plan C, taking a look at experienced market participants taking profit. We can see the exchange flows here in yellow. When they're pretty high outflows, we can see local tops or market tops when experienced market participants are taking profits. And then when it's down low like this in this green area, this is a near market bottom. So we had one back in February 21. We had July. We had October. Well, guess what? Right now, again, we have a near market bottom, which makes it a great time to start shopping for some insane buys. If Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't your thing, now is the time to go looking at altcoins. And if you're looking for some of those, I have some awesome videos you could check out on that type of thing. But with Bitcoin right now, we have yet another signal that Bitcoin is about to explode. This dotted line right here, whenever Market Cipher, Crypto Faces, what is this called? A thing, Crypto Faces thing that flashes green right here. Whenever that happens, guess what? Pretty much most times the price goes up. So that's happening once again, and likely could see the price going up. Now, not only that, but we also have Bitcoin forming inside of this bullish megaphone once again. And if we take a bar pattern and we just do what happened from the last time once again and expand it to kind of figure out for the current one that it's in, well, if we adjust that right there, guess what? Almost. There we go. Right there. Well, guess what? We could be up towards $100,000 by January, just a few short weeks away. That could be very, very big, because you see, volatility is still in range with previous cycles. All cycles have finished with a parabolic run. If we see 2011, 2013, 2017, all of these had some ups and downs like what we're seeing right now, but ended with a parabolic run. Same thing happening right now. We have some ups and downs, ending likely with a parabolic run. And that brings us to this chart here with some price predictions for Bitcoin. So the top sliding scale model from Decode Jar on Twitter. Conservative early projection. So if we take conservative early projection, halving the top projected at the same rate, 7 June of 2022, 2.618 extension in wave 5, we could have $190,000 right up here, early projection. However, extreme late projection, bottom top 19 December 2022, 3.618 extension in wave 5, $250,000. So somewhere between $190,000 and $250,000 by the end of 2022, which could be very, very interesting. And this coincides very nicely with Willy Woo's Bitcoin price models. This green line here, which is his top price line right now, if we can get this thing out of the way, which we can't, it's roughly around $213,000. But could continue going up as the price keeps going up. Now, something worth noting on this chart right here is that the Bitcoin price is very close to this blue line, the NVT ratio. And guess what? Bitcoin price doesn't stay close or below the NVT line for very long. If we take a look at Bitcoin over its history, most of the time it's pretty far away from the NVT line. As a matter of fact, very few times does it actually go below, but it's very, very close right now, meaning that there is a higher likelihood it would go away or up as opposed to down, which brings us to this last thing. Based on the CBI.info top of the Bitcoin bull run, it is deprecated because this price prediction date was based on the 51-49% ratio. But that being said, I think the numbers are still pretty reasonable. $309,000 plus or minus $48,000. So that could put us right around the $250,000 that we were seeing right here once again. So guys, everything is looking good for Bitcoin cryptocurrency. I think now is an amazing time to go shopping. You're probably not going to find deals like we're finding right now. Heck, we could double the price in a few short weeks. Pretty exciting. Enjoy your weekend. I hope you have a good one. Love you. Peace.